Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be trying resin art for the first time, and I haven't done this before, so I'm gonna put it all on the camera whatever I do. So let's get started. So first of all you need is resin and hardener. I got it from Amazon and I'll put the link in the description box below so you guys can check that out. So before starting this process, make sure you check all the package contents and how to use it. So the procedure is already in there, so you need not to worry about that. So basically I'm making a beach on my phone case. So the materials we require is some color for making the beach and the phone case and few paper cups, and the most important one is gloves, hand gloves. So I'm gonna put on the hand gloves and let's get started. So here comes the most important step, and we are going to measure it into 3:1 ratio. That means 1 time of hardener and 3 times of resin. So I'm gonna take resin first of all and pour it in the 2 cups in the equal proportion. So I don't have any proper measuring tools here. I'm gonna pour it according to my convenience. And please make sure you put on your gloves because it is a chemical formula. So now that I'm done with my resin part, I'm gonna move on to hardener. So I'm gonna use some beach colors here. First of all, take cobalt blue and viridian white in the 1 cup and titanium white into the other cup. So we just need to use drop of each color here. So by using wooden stick, we have to mix it very thoroughly without any lumps. So now that we are done with the mixing part, I'm gonna pour it on my phone case. So before that, I'm gonna protect the table, my base, with the paper so that my table don't spoil. So now I'm gonna take 1 cup of the color and pour it randomly according to my convenience and comfort. So using the same technique, I'm gonna take the other cup and pour it very randomly. So I took some little bit of blue color and just randomly with the help of wooden stick, I drew the lines here and there. And we don't need to be perfect here because it looks beautiful in any way.